Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm going to make a very different sort of lazy flower here, and that went terribly wrong, but we will see how this turns out. So I am just pouring resin into the mold, and the resin that I have taken here is the Fast Cure Resin by J. Dixon, their 4R Cure Resin. So again, I'm going to add, you can see, a layer that is enough for covering the base of the coaster, not too thick, not too thin. So a disaster happened here, and I just took a simple jiffy bag, and the jiffy bag was already had some holes. I didn't knew that. So this was actually a failed project to begin with, because I poured the resin into a wrong jiffy bag because it has a lot of holes and my resin was pouring from everywhere. I wanted to create a lovely flower bloom in a different way, but this was really terrible, and you will see me struggling here. The thing is that I didn't left it like that, and I was still making it even though it was not going as I wanted it to be. So the white pigment paste that I am working here is by Casting Craft, that I always use. So in a 20 ml of resin, I add around, you can see, 8 to 9 drops of Casting Craft. And here I'm just making you, now I'm going to say is a lazy or a mess up way of creating a flower here. So the reason for making this video is that just don't give up and keep on doing. Maybe it will turn out into amazing. Maybe something you might learn something new. We don't know about that. So this was something that I just kept on going. And here I'm just randomly drawing what was coming in my mind. At this point, it was not as I wanted it to be. So after that, I left this to cure, and I will see you next day. So this is the next day, and there is something over here happening. So this motivated me, and now I'm doing a second layer here. And for my second layer, I'm using a sort of a beige color with a hidden golden mica powder. So again, this layer is not too thick, not too thin, just a medium layer. So again, here I'm going to draw the flowers, and for my second layer, you will see that I'm going to create a mess again. And I was thinking that I'm going to make the perfect petals, but I don't know what happened here. And then this is what I'm doing here. You can already see that the shapes are really bad. Oh well, let's see how this is going to turn out. And here we go. I'm going to leave this to cure, and I will see you next day. And this is the next day, and now I'm making another mistake with the background here. Because at this point you can see, sort of lost any hope here that this flower is going to turn out amazing. So I'm just randomly mixing stuff here, pink and then this purple mica, and I will mix this, and this is going to be the background color. And now I'm going to pour this, a combination of color. I don't know how well they will go together. And I will leave this to cure, and I will see you next day. So this is the next day. It's time to demold, and we will see how this messy flower turned out. And the thought of just throwing this away, but still working on it, we will see. So here we go. Yeah. So I think it is looking some sort of flower here. and I was not happy with the background. So what I did here is that I just spray painted it with the black spray paint. I do usually do that to my flowers. So I can see now there is some possibilities for this, as the flower have bloomed lovely and the background is sort of working here. But then for the center, because you can see the center is messed up, so here I'm going to use the washi tape. So this is the one that I selected. I think is best match for this. So I think these are the flowers. But before adding the washi tape, I thought I'm going to put some golden dots in the center and see that if I don't have to put the washi tape and I can save it like this. So I'm just trying any possibilities that I can go for. So here are the dots and here is the washi tape. Here is the dot and here is the washi tape that that was going in my mind. But then I ended up putting the flowers in the center because that golden dots were not hiding the mess that was in the center. And here we go. I think I'm happy now, but still I'm working on it. I think it is coming along really lovely. And now we need a top coat. And I hope this top coat will bring the flower together. Sometimes just doing simple flowers can take you to a journey on its own. So here I will be doing the top coat, and then I was working on this and an idea came to my mind. I have some lovely beads that I'm going to show you, and I just arranged them onto the coaster just to enhance the beauty. So I will show you the beads that I'm talking about. So these are the beads, and now I will show you the final result. So this is the final result of the coaster. I hope I'm loving it. I think it worked out really pretty, very unique colors going together, and it is sort of a lovely different flower, and the pearls on the edges, something different. And I think the flowers in the center are looking, I have brought everything together. Do let me know in comments what are your suggestions, and do you like the flower coaster here, or I really don't know, but I think I love it now. So that's it for today, and I will link everything in my description. So like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.